good to see you and welcome back. I hope you've been amazed with the rover you've made our first class. Today we will upgrade it with the sensor and tech how to recognize obstacles and behave accordingly. Just imagine that surface of the planet might have a lot of challenges for the rovers, like big rocks, gaps, rivers, etc. Humans are not operating rovers in real time, so rovers should be able to see the possible challenges and know how to solve them. For example, some small gaps can be easily forced just because of the size of the rovers, but others like large should be reported to humans for the next decision. Alright. Let's get back on Mars. At least 5 rovers successfully landed on Mars in different years. We can see the evolution of the rovers created at different times. The first guy who landed on Mars was a rover called Sojourner. And it was back in 1997. I bet you weren't born yet. It has a special mission to take photos of the location called Ares Vallis and send them back to Earth for the next research. Believe it or not, it was sized like a microwave oven. And that's the one of the photo Sojourner made on his mission.